Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable promos and offers email notifications on Zomato account. So first we're going to go to the Zomato app. As I told you, you guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then once you're here, you're going to click on your profile section on the top right corner. Then we're going to scroll downwards until we find the settings option. Then click on it when you find it. Then again, we're going to click on notification settings. So under promos and offers, there's the email option. You're going to click on it to turn it on. So from now on, you're going to receive updates about coupons, promotions, and money-saving offers. So that's the importance of this setting. Then you guys can continue with your ordering food. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.